Hi, I'm Rob.
And I'm Liz, and this is Max.
Mary.
And Lulu. We just quit our jobs and left it all behind.
To find something bigger and better, because we were
called to the road.
Lulu, did you want to go outside? Mary, did you want to go outside? Oh. Isn't that right, bud? Game. Get out of that. Get out of that blanket. Get out of that blanket.
Really?
All right. Who wants to have a snowball fight? We got plenty of snow here. Oh, it's good packing snow. This might be, we might be a little overdue on this, but this is just the frost that is built up on the back of the freezer here. I'm such a good little house husband. Got breakfast going, vacuuming.
The TV's on.
She doesn't even know. She has no idea how good she has it. No idea. You better get that coffee in you.
Sometimes you need a shower, you need the bed made, and you need a big old cup of coffee before you feel awake and good. Alright, can you do this without showing our secrets?
No. What? The Rob's special breakfast grilled cheese sandwich, is that what you mean?
Yeah.
Nope. Secrets are...
Or do you want to show the secret?
Show.
Since you stole it from the internet?
Yeah. I modified it. But the technique is what's important.
Are you about to run out of eggs that we just bought?
Yes.
Oh, Lanta.
No, we've got an extra dozen eggs. One sandwich, 2 eggs.
Oh boy, Mary's using the stairs.
Let's make a big, nice. Mary's climbing
Good
up the
girl,
stairs.
Mary.
Girl. Okay, we share one sandwich because this makes a big sandwich.
Mary just made it up onto the couch via the stairs. Oh, now she's attempting to get to her spot. Oh no.
Okay, back to me. It's all about me right now. Whizzing up my eggs. Just let it crisp up, grill up, flip it a couple times. Gooey, crispy, delicious egg sandwich.
Half of this is actually super filling. We'll check back in, guys. We're gonna...
I'm busy. Turn that off.
Alright, guys. 2 weeks ago, we did not go to the hippie hole. We got a little antsy, we needed some fresh air, so here we are today, back at Little River Canyon Preserve, is that what it's called? Little River National Preserve. Let's see, it says, first of all, never try to swim across the river. Very strong current. This little trail is called, let's see, can you guys see? Little
River Falls.
Little River Falls. So we're up here, we're gonna hike down that green dotted trail there and get over to Little River Falls, which we're super excited about. It's only 70 degrees today, so
we got our swimsuits on.
We've been working out every day and our muscles are actually really sore, and I was like, you know what? We need to go get in that icy cold water. So very excited about that.
Today. A hike.
I think we're just excited to be out, period, though.
Yeah, I was getting a little cooped up.
Shucks. Okay, so we just passed a kid that said that the current's way too strong to go swimming because it just poured down rain a couple days ago.
We'll decide that when we get down there.
Yeah, we'll be the judges of that, but
Well,
even
cool.
up at top of the
Oh, this is the steps.
this must be the steps, guys. We've
The
arrived.
waterfall steps.
We've arrived. Oh wow, okay, we're opening up to the river, guys. Like I said, this river is legit. It's a full-on river. In case you were wondering.
Look at the step they carved out of the rock.
Yeah, somebody like chiseled into that big old rock there. Pretty cool. There's definitely some people down here.
I'm for sure thinking that the hippie hole doesn't normally look like this, because unless they call it the hippie hole, there's a bunch of hippies drowning here all the time. But I don't see it. We've decided it's not wise to swim at the hippie hole today.
Just on our own, what's it called?
I have no idea what you're trying to say.
Just based upon what we can tell from looking
Our
at
own
it.
judgment.
Our own judgment, but also that kid seemed like he'd been here before. He's probably a local, and he said don't do it.
Yeah. I mean, I went and got my feet in, but there's just not really, like, aside from like sitting down in the shallow parts to get wet, it's not really like, it's not swimming conditions right now. But we are going to go back up to the top of the waterfall where we swam.
In there last
Yeah.
week, but we didn't show you guys that.
We just saw a couple kayakers come through from up above here, and they went off over the edge of the little waterfall, and they knew exactly what they were doing.
So scary.
It was awesome. Now I feel like we definitely could have been down there swimming.
It's official, we're pansies.
No, we're not. And this is why it looked like it did down where we were. Now we're at the top of the falls.
It's gotten a little windy. We're not sure if our neighbor knows that there are umbrellas in the trees or not. Should we go tell him?
Yeah.
Guess what? I think this is the third or fourth one that we've seen now. The first one we ever saw was in Sarasota, Florida, the #1 beach in the USA. Can y'all see that? I mean, this one's huge. I don't even think you can see the whole thing. It's massive.